In Matrix, you can manage the full financial performance of your projects. Each project is created and managed under the Projects tab. In this video, we will focus only on the Finance section, which gives you a complete economic overview of your project. All the information you see here is based on inputs and calculations from other parts of the system. This is where everything comes together. For each of the 4 categories, time, materials, external services, and expenses, you will see 4 key elements. First, total cost budget. This is the budget you entered when setting up the project. Second, spent to date. This is calculated by the system based on everything that has been registered so far. Third, forecast at completion, also called FAC. This tells you what the project is expected to cost in total once it is finished. For time, FAC is based on the hours already registered plus the upcoming resource allocations. For the other categories, FAC is simply the higher value of budget or spent to date, to avoid underestimating the final cost. Fourth, progress. Progress shows how much of the FAC has already been spent. It gives you a quick sense of how far the project has moved in relation to its expected total cost.
At the bottom of the screen, you will find a summary and the forecasted margin, which is essential for understanding the project's financial health. Let's go back to the top of the page. We recommend that the project manager pays close attention to 3 things. The first is the difference between total cost budget and FAC. If FAC is significantly lower or higher, the project likely needs an update, and FAC is often the more realistic number. The second is whether progress matches your gut feeling. If progress shows 80%, but you feel the project is only halfway through, that is a warning sign that the project finances may be drifting. The third is the margin percentage. If the margin does not match your expectations, review the project critically. This is rarely just a numbers exercise. It often requires technical or professional judgment that affects both costs and revenues, and these changes must then be reflected in Matrix. We will also encourage you to check the Timeline tab. The timeline gives you a historical perspective on the project's finances. It is a great tool for spotting trends early, so you can take action before problems grow.
The financial part of Matrix is absolutely central to running profitable projects. Some people find this type of financial project management easy, while others find it more challenging. But this is where you can make a real difference to your results. If you find it difficult, or if something does not seem right, please reach out. Just use the support function. We are always happy to help.